In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an HSBC UK trading account this 2025. HSBC UK offers a share dealing account that lets you trade UK international stocks, ETFs, and more, all in one place. So you'll need to be an HSBC customer first to access this. So to open trading account, you must be a UK resident, of course, and be also 18 years old above and already have an HSBC current or savings account. So if you don't have an HSBC account yet, you'll need to open one before continuing. So you simply go to the official website of hsbc.co.uk and log into your online banking or mobile banking app from the main dashboard. So assuming we've successfully logged in here, so head over to the investment sections and then click on the investment shareholding and then choose a open shareholding or share dealing account, and you'll be asked a few questions about your trading experience and investment knowledge. This is for compliance and to access or to assess suitability. So as you can see in here, I don't have a direct access in the HSBC dashboard, but I'll try to explain each step so you can follow along and what you need to expect or to click when you are on the inside the HSBC dashboard. So second is now just follow the on-screen instructions after choosing the share dealing account. You'll enter basic information in there like your personal details, national insurance number, and how you plan to use the account. The whole process usually takes less than 10 minutes. So once your trading account is open, you can fund it directly from your HSBC bank account and then just transfer the amount you want to invest and you're good to go. So now you can search for stocks, ETFs, and more using the HSBC Invest Direct platform. You'll be able to place trades, set limits, and track your investment in real time. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.